SI stock, Silvergate Capital stock. So in the last trading session, that was the session of the 6th of March 2023, it reached a high of $6.36, and ultimately the volume was around 24 million shares. And we know very well that its short interest is between 70 to 80%, definitely the most shortest stock in the US. And of course, you also know very well that they have suspended their Silvergate exchange network, and that is what has caused market participants to ditch the stock. But at the same time as well, retail hands are seeing that short interest, that huge short interest, and they are not giving up. So what is likely to happen is that there's a good chance that over the course of many trading sessions, the stock will continue to spike. Maybe not always close higher, but at various points there will be spikes, and those who are brave enough will be able to take advantage of what's going on there. So there's definitely a lot of following on the stock. There's a lot of market participants are watching it. 80% is around 180% of its float sold short, is around $144 million locked up into the stock. So given all that is happening, let's go to the daily chart and we'll see what's going on there. Given all that is happening, you can, like I pointed out in the last trading session, it is now trading at a huge discount to its 10 and 20-day moving averages. So given all of that, and also the fact that it has this massive monumental short interest of between 70 to 80%, the probability of it remaining below its 10-day moving average, that 10-day moving average is around $12. The probability of it remaining below it is $5.48, or at least the probability of it remaining above its current price, or rather rebounding above its current price of $5.6, is 94.52%. 94.52%. If not above its 10-day moving average, then at least the current price of $5.6. And also in the case of its 20-day moving average, which is around $14.78, the probability of it remaining there at that sort of level, overcome the next 20 trading sessions, is around 1.07%. So it's highly likely that something is on the cards. But so even given the fact that it spikes in the regular session, it spiked to 6.37, is a credence, is a validation of this probability. So and there's nothing really so complicated about this. This is just because of the simple fact that it is trading at a discount to its moving averages. Because of that, and you also have it has a standard deviation price of around $4. So if you do that, if you compare, if you do the calculation, you find out that or if you're doing the calculation, that means you're trying to take out the current price out of its moving average, and then dividing it by the standard deviation, and then you go and use another inference to determine what that sort of probability will give you. So because of that, it's just as simple as that. It's trading at a premium. So what it means, it's going to rebound. It can't, the buyers are going to come in. That's just what it's simply saying. Just validating what you already know. The buyers are going to come. So when are they going to come? They come. They came, and short sellers came and took their money away, or they came and they were not brave enough to remain. Or what do you expect? It's fundamentally things are not looking good. The whole industry, not just the bank itself, the whole industry is facing some decay. There's a lot of uncertainty around there. There's regulatory and all that stuff. So and indeed this company was going to be, or was investigated by the Congress, in the U.S. Congress. So given all of that, you should expect this sort of short interest. It's not. I would say it wouldn't be out of place, or rather, is it out of place? Well, 70 to 80% is quite out of place, but at least some short interest, yes, it's not out of place. So it's definitely going to be remaining a highly interesting stock. Short interest there. Market participants constantly watching it and seeing what's going to happen. So on this daily chart, we have up a projection of 36.48. Absolutely no guarantee this will happen. There's no guarantee, but never say never. And then after that, before that, we have $28.28. and then after that we have 25.29, but the closest to where it is right now is 13.75. This is also, it's 14.09. It's almost as if the algos here on TradingView have also done the same computation we have done, just trying to determine what these probabilities are, which is, like I pointed out earlier on, there's a high likelihood that it will rebound above its 10-day moving average, which is around $12, and its 20-day moving average, which is around 14.78. So, and that's also okay. It's the first projection we have here is just slightly below its 20-day moving average, which is around 14.78. So, when it's going to happen, I absolutely do not know. Is it likely to happen? Maybe, may not. What is absolutely certain is that the algos also read the statistics. And they read the statistics, and they could decide to get by. And when they get buying, regular market participants may also join the fray and deplete the liquidity and result in a huge spike. So all of these are just theoretical. Just be really careful with SI stock. Know how you're playing it. We have a position there as well, not a huge lot, and we'll try to continue to average down as the case may be. The main attraction is just that $144 million locked up into the stock, which is it's short interest. So see how you play it, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.